try. Today we're practicing reclining hand to big toe pose, Supta Padangusthasana in Sanskrit. We will need a belt or a strap or even just a towel, whatever that's available in your sweet home. There are two variations I'd like to walk you through. Lie supine on your mat. If your head doesn't comfortably rest on the floor, feel free to use a folded blanket underneath your head to support it. Take the strap or towel, lie down on your back. Strongly extend both legs. Take a nice inhale. Exhale, bend your right knee, hug it into your chest, and loop the strap or towel around the ball or arch of your right foot. Then slowly straighten your right leg any amount. So this leg doesn't have to be fully straight. Work within your limits. Your flexibility will be improved with your dedicated practice. Hold the strap in both hands. Press the left inner thigh heavily to the floor as you draw your right hip forward towards the left heel so that both sides of your waist are even. Broaden your shoulder blades across the back. Walk your hands up the strap as high as possible to fully extend your elbows. Then lightly press your shoulder blades down into the floor to open your chest. This is the first variation of the pose. Feel free to stay here, and if it's okay with your hamstrings, release your right thigh bone down deeply into your pelvis. Draw the right foot a little closer to your head to deepen the stretch on the back of your right leg. For the second variation, we're going to take the right leg out to the right. So hold the strap or towel in your right hand. Pin the left thigh down with your left hand. And then inhale, extend through your heels. Exhale, outwardly rotate your right leg, then swing the right leg out to the right without lifting the left hip up off the floor. So any amount, even if it's a tiny bit here. That's the pose. So this is the second variation. Stay for a few breaths here. And whenever you are ready, bring the leg back to vertical. In order to do that, lighten the grip on the strap a tiny bit so that you can work your right inner thigh and outer hip. Engage those muscles. With an inhalation, bring the leg back to vertical. Release the strap or towel and stay here for a few breaths. Because this is a really good place to work your right hip flexor, the muscles where the fold of your pants is. And after a few breaths, bend your right leg, extend it out. And again, strongly extend both legs. Take your strap or towel. Take a nice deep inhale. Exhale, bend your left knee, hug the thigh into the belly, and then wrap the strap or towel around the ball or arch of the left foot. Extend the left leg out. Press the right inner thigh down towards the floor as you draw the left hip away from your left waist. So both sides of the waist are even. Soften through the front body and release your shoulders. So you can walk your hands up the strap as high as possible, but soften your shoulders. Push actively through the heels. If you want to take a stretch a step further, release your left thigh bone down deep into your hip socket and bring the left foot a little closer towards your head. But if there's pain, back off. You don't want to hurt your hamstrings. Flexibility does come with practice. Okay, the second variation, inhale, extend through your heels. Exhale, take the left leg outwardly towards the left without lifting your right hip. So firmly plant your right inner thigh down as you do so. Keep breathing. And keep rotating the left leg outwardly. And now lighten the grip on the strap. Engage the left inner thigh and outer hip, and inhale, bring the leg back to center. Release the strap or towel. Keep the leg here for a few breaths to work your left hip flexor. You want to keep the time even on both sides, so the practice is balanced. Exhale, bend your left knee and extend the leg out. So this is the pose. Hug your knees into your chest. Roll over to one side. Gently press yourself up into a comfortable seated position. Supta Padangusthasana, reclining hand to big toe pose. This pose has a lot of benefits. It safely stretches your hamstrings without putting much pressure on your vertebrae. Also, when you take the leg out to the side, it relieves the tension and compression in the lower back. It also aligns your pelvis, so it helps relieve sciatica pain if you have any. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. And again, this is Shrai. Namaste. Have a beautiful day.